What's what's up, guys? Um, Today is another Sunday where we get to break the market together. Then I share with you guys my own perspective and what I'm actually looking from the market in this new week, right? Guys, from my student, I noticed about almost 90% of you guys um into GBP JPY, GBP USD, and gold. So we're going to be analyzing on these three pairs and see what we got today. First of all, we like to start from monthly time frame to know where the month is going and to know what the overall trend is. So to me, anyway, so in this monthly time frame, we can see how we still going on uptrend, right? Before I will be, for me personally, before I will be expecting, I just, what I'm looking for monthly time frame is just a push from this above here, then go for a retest, then we can go bullish again on GBP USD. So this is what I'm expecting on monthly time frame. Then if you go to weekly time frame, on weekly time frame, we can see that this market is moving in a last week. Last week kind of closed as indecisive, and which is when this new market open, we have to be a lot careful because or our stop loss has to be much wider than it used to be so that we don't get caught out from the move that is about to happen here, which is from what I'm saying, we can see how the market broke the structure, came back for a test here. We can see how many week candle, 1, 2, 3 week candle. Then we are still seeing the market close at this structure, at this previous higher high that we had. So we should be expecting the market to come to this point. So which is one thing that I'm expecting from GBP USD. So going to daily time frame. On daily time frame, we can see how we have we have 1, 2, 3, 4 resistance level retesting this structure here. This is our W pattern. This W pattern. I remember when I analyzed this market with my student, saying that we should be expecting a push from this exactly point where I use Fibonacci retracement level. Hold on, guys. Let me just consider. Okay, so where I use Fibonacci retracement level to pick it up. Let me show you guys. So I think, yeah, it rejected from 0.60% level. But that is one thing, right? So right now, what do we see in the market? We can see how the market is having difficulty breaking this structure. For me, what I was expecting the market to have a full candle close above this area, come for a retest, then continue the trend. But it didn't happen that way. So again, on the daily time frame, the market, the candle closed at indecisive because we have longer wick from the top and we have a shorter wick from the bottom. So again, it's still, and we have the body is so small. So we see expecting for a potential. We have to be careful because when we're placing a buy or a sell here, we have to be careful on our loss side. So for example, sorry, on our stop loss. For example, if we place buy here, we also have to be careful because we don't want to be stopped out. And that means your stop loss is going to be bigger. So what are we advised in this aspect is to have a tiny stop loss is to go for at least maybe 4 hours time frame if you want to get a better one. So what I will advise is, number one, you can actually place any trade right here. Placing any trade here is like you're gambling your money, right? So what you'll be looking out for, or basically what you'll be looking out for, is if you want to buy or if you want to sell. So if you want to sell, for me, what I look out for is just I want a break above the structure here. Come for a retest, then go. Boom. This is what I'm looking for. Then if I want to buy, at this structure, what I'm going to look for is just basically like something like this on smaller time frames, something like this. That come like a W, then go, then boom. This is what I'm looking out for. So my stop loss will probably be around this area. Then it will be tiny. Will be tiny. Like I don't mind getting cut half from the here, but if I really want to catch the move, then that means my stop loss has to be 36 30 pips, which I'm not comfortable doing. So what I would do is that, which is the strategy that I love doing sometimes, is I put a buy holder around this area, then I put my stop loss here. So now it means that this is probably maybe where so many people will be placing their buy, but I'll probably be putting my, because at the end of the day, when you put stop loss, I like to put my buy order or sell order or sell limit, whatever you want to do at that particular. I like to put it where people will put in their stop loss, and my stop loss will be below that. So market will not trick me in that kind of aspect. But in this aspect right now, we have to go to, like we see on daily time frame. If I go back to daily time frame, we can see that the market is trying to respect this previous higher high on daily time frame. So if you go to 1 hour time frame, let's see. Hold on, guys. Let me put on the AC. Okay. So on 1 hour time frame, which is kind of strange here. Now we have a W pattern. W pattern here. Hold on, let me use this instead of brush. Let me use this arrow part. Okay. So here previously we have a hem pattern which was respected on a grade level. We have a retest here, so that we just put it. So let's see the market close around here, like for I catch, like I was on this move for like I risked, like I think it was 90 pips or something like that. I think it was somewhere like that. And we had about two entry, one from here, and the other one was from here when the market was retesting the zone, was from here. So everything in total was like around 60, 70 pips that we caught from the move. Of course, I told you guys I won't be sending signals, because signals to me is that yes, you might be able to make money with it, but are you learning anything from it? I guess no, you're not. So on what I'm trying to explain to you guys is that we have the market form another M pattern here, which we have to be careful of, which is it. So, and again, the market just broke our previous higher high that we could have used for a potential continuation of the trend, but which didn't happen. So now what I'll be expecting on 1 hour time frame is this, if I want to sell. So if I want to sell, I will look for a potential move to this point, then I'll continue. I'll just place my I don't try to stress too much when it comes to this kind of stuff. I just, as a matter of fact, I don't enter on 1 hour time frame, but I'm just using this structure to give you guys. There's a way I do enter that only my inner circle understands. It's my strategy, which is like you guys know, I trade W pattern and M pattern, simple as ABC. But to enter my trade, I also use W pattern and M pattern on smaller time frame to enter my trade. But after I get the overall direction from the higher time frame. So I hope you guys understand this. So basically what I do is that it's simple. I will go to 15 minutes time frame now. So on 15 minutes time frame, what I want to do is that I don't enter like, okay, which one? I think I told you guys I entered a trade from here. I entered a trade from here, exactly. But I did not enter the trade immediately after, immediately after, because if you look at it, so we had this we have this bullish candle so strong that, at some point you might feel like, okay, the market is about to, but this one is the, hold on, let me just delete all the drawing first for you guys to see. Okay. So I'm talking about this candle, this particular one, and it respected, like you kind of feel like all this place is broken, then the market is gonna go to this or like previous higher high and probably break it. But this is the market manipulation. They were trying to take up because they know so many people are sold here. So what they did was just, so for me, my strategy is just to look for this kind of setup. Then I will see where it's creating an pattern on 15 minutes time frame or even 5 minutes time frame. So what happened, guys? This is where I'm now gonna place my trade. I'm too smart to risk to risk. Like I'm telling you guys, this is what I was telling you. Whether I use 10 pips or 9 pips or 8 pips, if I have to, you're gonna check my phone. So yeah, so this is how I enter my trade on smaller time frame. I hope you guys understand this. I'm giving you the gem on what I do when I enter my trade. This is exactly what I do when I enter trade. So I don't enter immediately like, oh, all those people saying, I don't want to enter sniper. I don't want that sniper entry. You understand me? All I want to enter at the right time and catch the move. That's it, guys. That's it, guys. And even though when I entered the trade, there was news coming up on, I think it was on Thursday, yeah. And I was unbothered because even when the move was fluctuating, like, was moving crazily, nothing happened to my trade because my entry was good, my stop loss was also good. So this is the strategy that I do use when I enter trade, which is good. Again, you might not get a lot of trade every day, but when you get it, when you do cash a move, it's gonna be good. Like it's gonna be good. So this is what we're gonna be looking out for, like I said. So if the market end up coming here, what I'm gonna be looking out for is, I'm not gonna enter it right away because, again, on daily time frame, it was showing, on daily time frame, it was showing that the market is actually like respecting a certain zone in sense of going up. So what I'm gonna be looking out for, I'm gonna be looking out for something like this, something like, sorry, uh, I'm gonna be looking out for something like this. It's simple. The market will consolidate, right? You all know. The market will probably, it might wants to reject from here. Then we can see same thing, same pattern that happened the other time. Then when they try to take off some sellers, then what I will be looking out for is something like this. You get, then with market will drop. That's all that is all I'm looking for, guys. Then I will enter myself from here, then which is much, much, much protected. Then we can get it right. And I'm not in a rush to enter any trade. I'm not stressing. You understand me? I'm giving you guys the gem right now. I'm giving you guys the in-depth of my strategy here. It's simple. You don't have to make forex trading a hard stuff for yourself, right? When I'm telling you guys, this is, I might not be able to analyze the other trades. If I'm able to, that will be good. But what I'm looking for right now, if we are to sell, here, if we are to sell, all I'm also looking for is just, now, guess what, guys? We can see how this market was wanted to, if we go to 1 hour time frame, I think you should be seeing this in better. Okay. So many people, so many traders, so many novice trader, like new traders, probably probably place their trade from here. Probably like I used to, then they'll put their stop loss around this area, hoping that the market will get there and reject and go up. It's not done that way. Money, like you have to, you are placing a trade, a bet against the the people who are deciding how the market works, right? There are a lot of manipulations. Like we're not talking about manipulation from brokers, we're talking about the market overall. Like trillions of dollars involving in the forest industry every single day. And you think you're gonna outsmart them? No way. But you can do your best, any move when the market agrees with you, you capitalize on it. That is what I do. I don't do too much. So on like here, we can see what I'm actually looking for is just the W pattern. Sorry, it's just the W pattern, like it's printing right now. Like it's printing right now. Like it's printing right now. What I'm looking for is just something like this. It's just to show me that okay, I'm ready to move now. Then I can guarantee you this is print on 1 hour time frame, 15-minute time frame. I will be how bro, like I will be buying as like not with everything I have, but I will be buying and leveraging, if you know what that means. I will be buying and leveraging. I will be buying and leveraging if this thing happen on 15-minute time frame. If it happen, good. Like all I'm looking for is just I don't like I'm gonna take the risk and do that because it's my strategy, something that I do believe in. Because number one, the market overall, GBP USD, it should be trending. It should be uptrending, not go down. Like anything can happen in the market, right? I'm not saying that, okay, I want it to go up, but from what the market is printing and from what I've seen in monthly time frame, weekly time frame, and daily time frame, we should be going up. So I'm waiting for the big move that is about to happen. So probably happening this week, or maybe yeah, because we are ending to the month end, or it might be happening in February. So you just have to prepare for yourself for the big move to happen. And that is it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I will not say little because I think I'm giving you guys in depth on how I do enter my trade, and how I love to catch big move. I love to enter big move before it happens. So I hope you guys enjoy these gems that I'm dropping for you guys. If you do, don't forget to like. And yeah, you can like, and you can if I'm posting this on video on YouTube, just give it a thumbs up. Peace out, and thank you for your time, and thank you for watching. Peace out.